Man, I mean, just probably just like everybody else, man. I grew up as a kid and, watching it and became fond of it at a very early age. And my first, any kind of introduction to pro wrestling was the first IWA Japan King of the Deathmatch tape. So at a very young age, when you see that sort of wrestling and that sort of violence, I was brought in right away. I was captured by the brutality and all the characters. So from a very early age, I knew this is what I wanted to do, and I've been applying my craft now in this sport for about 4 years, a little over 4 years. And the last 2 years, things have really taken off. And I've been everywhere. I've been to Germany, I've been to Canada, and been all around the States, and it's so far so good.